Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a big table which fill the slide in your WPS presentation. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a big table on your WPS presentation. So I just going to show in this short video. So I just need a table to fill the page, but it will be a 3 into 3. How to fill it, how to make it possible, how to fit it, I just going to show here. So we just delete this and make a new slide. So now you just click on the insert option here and go to the table. I just selecting a 3 into 3 table like this. Now you will have option to expand it like this to the page, entire page. And if you make a line to move like this, so I just move the line like this, or moving a line like this, so this will make a difference. So how to make it normal? So if you have any customization, but I just need to fulfill the page with a normal spacing, so just don't worry, just click on the table tool option here. You just click on the distribute row evenly and distribute the column evenly. It automatically brings it to the normal position. And here how you just fill the table by just move the table to the top and just drag from the side, so only you will have a full table on your slide. So this is how you just create it. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.